The Asawin 10 in 2K Rearview Mirror Dashcam is a multifunctional device designed for use in cars, providing both front and rear view recording capabilities. Features a large 10-inch display that serves as a rear view mirror with integrated dash cam functionality. This screen size offers a spacious view for both front and rear cameras, capable of recording videos in 2K resolution. Higher resolution provides clearer and more detailed footage, enhancing the overall quality of recorded videos. Front and back recording, equipped with both front and rear cameras, allowing simultaneous recording of activities happening in front of and behind the vehicle. This provides comprehensive coverage for recording events on the road. Utilizes a full-screen display for a more immersive and detailed viewing experience. This can enhance visibility when reviewing footage or using the dashcam as a rear view mirror. Includes a 24-hour parking mode, enabling the dashcam to monitor and record events even when the vehicle is parked. This feature can provide additional security in surveillance. Features a touch-sensitive IPS and plane switching screen, providing a user-friendly interface for navigating settings, reviewing footage, and accessing various functions. Incorporates a reverse image function, helping drivers with parking and maneuvering by providing a clear view of the surroundings when the vehicle is in reverse. Includes Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to connect the dashcam to a mobile device for easy file transfer, configuration adjustments, and remote monitoring. Dual dashcam integration integrates the dual dashcam system seamlessly into the rearview mirror, minimizing additional clutter on the windshield.